Hello students. In today's class, we are going to discuss The Merchant of Venice Act 3 Scene 1. So here this scene that is there's a conversation between Salerino and Selenio in a street. So here Salerino says what's news on Rialto? Means what is the news on Rialto? That is the marketplace. So now you're talking about the news. Now Salerino says why it leaves there unchecked that Antonio hath a ship of rich lading wrecked on the narrow seas, the Goodwin. So the news is what that they had a news that is unchecked. Unchecked means that is not confirmed that Antonio's ship that was richly laden was wrecked where in a narrow seas in Goodwin. They call it I think they call the place a very dangerous place and fatal place for where all the carcasses means the structure of the wrecked ships. Tall ships lie buried, as they say, if my gossip report can be honest woman of forward. So it means gossip report means it can be a talkative woman's rumor. It can be like a talkative woman's rumor. That is what that is unchecked. That is why he says that it can be my gossip report. Now, on hearing him, Salenino says, I would shiver as lying a gossip in that as ever nabbed Ginger or made her neighbors believe she wept for the death of a third husband. So Celerino also wished that it would be, a liar report, a humor types of report. There should be a rumor as that a lie gossip. It means a woman who always nabbed ginger in her mouth and made her neighbors believe that she was, weeping on the death of her third husband. So first she wept on the first husband, then second husband, and now on the third husband. So she had to make her neighbors believe on that particular thing. So maybe that news will be would be like that. But if it is true without any slip of prolixity or crossing the plain highway of talk, that the good Antonio, the honest Antonio, oh, that I had a little good enough to keep this name company. So means he says that, but that news is somewhere true, that plain on the highway to talk means this news is somewhere true, that our Antonio, who is very honest, making praise of Antonio, that at least one ship of Antonio had been somewhere wrecked. Okay, now they were making regret on that, and then saying that Salerino says come the full stop. So maybe if it would be truth, so that will be the end of his loss. Okay, then he says, ha, what sayest thou, why the end is he hath lost a ship. It means he is also agree on that. I would it might prove the end of his loss. What it had been, it may be happened with one of his ships. So that should be a end of his loss. Both the friends are somewhere concerned about Antonio's loss. Okay, now Celerino, let me say amen. Betimes lest the devil cross my prayer, for here he comes in the likeness of a Jew. As they both were talking, there Shylock entered, the Jew. So amen. Actually, they believe that so let my quickly prayer say amen. Otherwise, before the prayer, before the devil, a devil is able to to come and then cross in between their conversation. So before some good thing is to be done, before that we should say amen, lest the devil can come and he will interrupt us. Okay, in the same way, in the same time, the devil come means Shylock enters there. And how now, Shylock, what news among the merchants? Shylock says, he asked about the news. And then after, Shylock says, just wait, let me take my pen. Okay. Shylock says, hmm. Okay, he says, none so well as of my daughter's right. So he told that what about news? You do not know that my daughter has somewhere left my home and then went with with a Christian, the elopement of my daughter, you do not know. Salerino, that's a certain. I, for my part, know the tailor that made the wings of wing she flew. They were also very cunning. Okay, they are making fun of him and then saying that, but I do not know. But I know the tailor who made the wings, means who made the dress of your daughter, and by wearing that dress, your daughter fled with Christian. Salenio says. And Shylock, for his own part, his bird was fleshed. He says that Shylock himself knows that now his daughter is being younger, okay, and she can fly. She can fly, so he could care of these things. And then it is the complexion of them all leave them down. Means he was knowing somewhere that his daughter will leave him. Shylock, she is damned for it. Means he's somewhere he's somewhere condemning of his own daughter. Now Salerino says that's certain. She will be like that when the devil may judge her. Okay, if any devil will judge her, she will be really like that. Shylock, my own flesh and blood to rebel. Now he told that my own flesh has somewhere rebelled against me. Out upon it, old Carrion rebels at it these years. Now Shylock, I say my daughter is my flesh and blood. Now then after he says there is more different between thy flesh and her, between jet and ivory. Jet and ivory. Jet and ivory means black and white. Okay, how much difference? There is a difference between black and white, so you both have a great difference. And also he was comparing the difference between red wine and Rhenish wine. Rhenish wine is German wine, and red wine that is somewhere very cheap and common wine. So like that difference you both have in between. Okay, and then after, but tell us, do you hear whether Antonio have had any loss at sea or not? They were asking that, have you heard the loss of Antonio? Then Shylock says, there I have another bad match. Means now if it is so, then I have another bad news that a bankrupt with a person who had like Diwalia, like a prodigal who dares scares how he is head on reality a beggar that was used to come so smug upon the march. Let him to look to his bond. He was wont to call me unsure. Let him look to his bond. He was wont to lend me money for a Christian curiosity. Let him look to his bond. He said that now how he will, how he will complete my bond. How he will return all the money what I means what money I borrowed him. He used to call me usurer. Okay, what is usurer? You know that. Usurer, you can say that a person who lends money at unfair rate of interest. So he used to call me like that, but now I will see that how he is going to return all the money, and he can the fulfill time of that bond. So I will show him if he will unable to return my money, and then after on the given time. Then salary, why I am sure if he forfeit. If forfeit means if he will fail, thou will not take his flesh. What's that good for? So he said that if he will fail, you will not take his flesh, as according to their bond, that he will take a pound of flesh of him if he will fail to repay him. So he said that what is the flesh, what is that flesh of Antonio is good for you. Then the main part, important speech of Shylock is begun from here. To bait fish withdrawal, if it will feed nothing else, it will feed my revenge. So he said that if it will not feed for anything, so that it will satisfy my revenge. Okay, I will make satisfy myself with that flesh of Antonio. He hath disgraced me. Okay, Antonio hath disgraced with me. He insulted me, humiliated me, and hindered me from a million. He prevented me to being a half a million. Loved at my loss. Antonio, you always loved at my losses, mocked at my gains, scorned my nations, thwart my bargains, okay, cooled my friends, and heated mine enemies. So he was the one who these all things always loved, mocked, and then after thought these things. Thought means that he always interfere or interfere in my business. So these are the reasons, so that I will make satisfy myself with his flesh. Says that I am a Jew. Hath not a Jew eyes? Again he's asking questions. I am a Jew. So does not a Jew has eyes? Hath not a Jew hands? Does not a Jew has the hand? Organs, dimensions, senses, affection, passion. So these things does not a Jew has? He's asking to him. Fed with same food, hurt with the same weapons, subject to the same disease, healed by the same means. He says that the Jews also the same like Christian. We also have hands, mouth, eyes like you, organs, on all the senses, affection and passions. We always feed the same as you. We also hurt the same weapons as you. And the same disease what you will have to suffer, we also have the same. We're also cured by the same as you. We also warmed and cooled by the same winter and summer as you are. Means we both are the same as a Christian is. If you prick us, we do not bleed, and if you kill us, we do not love. So do we not love? So he says that if these things, if you prick, do we not bleed? If you kill us, do we not love? So these are the common things that we both have. But if you poisoned us, do we not die? So these things, these are the common things that between a human have. And if you wrong us, shall we not revenge? If a Christian do any wrong, so shall we not revenge for these things? A great speech by Shylock. If we are like in the rest, we will resemble you in that. If a Jew wrong a Christian, what is his humanity? Revenge. If a Christian wrong a Jew, that should not his sufferance by Christian example. So why revenge? The vanity you teach me, I will execute, and it shall go hard, but I will better the instructions. It means anyhow I will make satisfy my revenge with the flesh of Antonio's flesh. Okay. And the same time, enter a servant. He asked the gentleman, my master Antonio is at his house and desired to speak both of you. Means Salerino and Salerino. Now he says, we also have been, waiting for him, and we also want to meet him. At the same time, enter Tubal. Tubal. Tubal is also Jew. So Salerino says that here comes another of the tribe means Jew. Okay, the third cannot be matched. Now let us go from here, because third cannot be matched. Devil can be with devil only, so they both exist from there. Now Shylock and Tubal. Shylock asks, how now, Tubal? What the news from Genoa? Hath thou found my daughter? Actually, for Tubal, Shylock had sent Tubal to in search of his daughter, Genoa. So that is why he was asking. He's also giving money him to searching his daughter. Tubal says, I often came where I did hear of her, but cannot find her. Means I do not have any news of her. I could not find her. Shylock, why there? Diamond gone. He's now in this speech. We can see that how he loves his money and diamonds. Cost me 2,000 ducats in Frankfurt. The curse never fell upon our nation till now. I never felt it till now. 2,000 ducats in that. The other precious jewels. I would. My daughter were dead at my food. So here he's saying that at my daughter would dead at my food, because we can see that how much love he does with his own uh, money and jewelry, more than a more than his daughter. So that is why he says that, and the jewels in her ear, would she were hers or my food, and the ducats in her coffin. No news of them. There is no news of her as well as his own money. Why? So I know, and I know not what's spent in that search. Why thou loss upon loss, loss upon loss? I'm spending money in search of my daughter, who has already fled with all my money. Clear? So again, he says that uh, okay, the thief gone with so much and so much to find the thief, and no satisfaction, no revenge, nor in the luck stirring. But what lights on my shoulders? No sigh but of my breathing, no tears but of my shedding. So here he says about this thing that he would anyhow take revenge of his own. Uh, that when his daughter has a daughter's elopement and all. So this thing he's saying that less upon loss upon loss. I'm somewhere being somewhere. Uh, that very worried. There is a loss upon loss of my money. Now Tubal says, yes, the other men have ill looked to Antonio, as I have heard in Geneva. So he said that you are not only the person who is being worried about these things. There is another person who is Antonio. He is also in loss. Okay, he also have ill luck these times. I have heard in Geneva. Now Shylock is very happy and asked, what? Ill luck, ill luck. What are you talking about? Tubal, hath and grocery cast away, coming from that, coming from Trelops, Trelopsis. Okay, it is also a place where there was another ship of Antonio. He heard that it is also wrecked. So here they are talking about that loss. Shylock, I thank God, I thank God. It's true, it's true. Tubal, I spoke with some of the sailors that escaped from that wreck. So this news is confirmed. And Shylock says, I thank thee, good Tubal, good news, ha ha ha. Where is Genoa, Tubal? Your daughter spent in Genoa, as I heard that in one night four scores ducats. Now again, Tubal says that I also heard that your daughter is spent in a night in Geneva. Wow, how many scores? Four squares. Okay, students, in one square there is 20 square, but here she is spreading four square means eight ducats in a sitting. So he was very upset for that. Shylock, thou stickest a dagger in me. You say that now you are making dagger in myself. I shall never see the gold again. Four scores ducats at a sitting, four score ducat. Now he is somewhere being reluctant of his own loss. Tubal says again, there comes delivers to Antonio's creditors in my company to vanish. That's where he cannot choose but break. And he says that I also have news that the some creditors of Antonio's creditors, they were saying that Antonio able to will not be able to pay the things he will break. Now Shylock, I'm very glad of it. I will plague him, I will torture him, and I am glad of it. Now Tubal, one of showed them showed me a ring that he had of your daughters for a monkey. She says that I also have a news that you there's a ring. They showed me a ring that your daughter has given them for a monkey. Now he was very upset. Says, out upon her, thou torturest me, Tubal. Now he said that you are making torture me. You are giving some harsh word that somewhere with that help or with that words, with the help of that words, I'm being very tortured. Tubal, it was very dark with eyes. I had it of the lee when I was a bachelor. I would not have given it for a wilderness of a monkey. So he said that that was my favorite. Turquoise means that my favorite ring, and I could not give it for with by the shake of a monkey. But Antonio is certainly undone. Again he said the newt, but Antonio is certainly undone. Somewhere he has been destroyed. Now Sherlock says, nay, that's true, that's very true. Go, Tubal, fee me. Just wait. Fee me an officer. He said that go and just talk to an officer for his bond, and we speak him for night before, and call him, talk to him before this night. I will have the hurt of him if he forfeit. He means that if Antonio forfeit power, he out of Venice, I can make with what merchandise. I will go Tubal, and meet me our synagogue is again what, a Jewish place of worship. So where Shiloh goes there perhaps to swear an oath not to give up his scheme of revenge. So like that he says that go good Tubal for that synagogue place. Okay, so like that students, this scene was somewhere completed. We have completed this scene. Okay, Act 1, Scene 3. So that was all about your ninth class course. We have completed all your ninth class course. So I hope that things are being clear to you. Now, thank you so much and have a nice day.